Class 1 Math Magic. I've given you homework to do the exercise from page number 32 to page number 34, which is to write figure 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Since we have finished till this page, now we will go to the next page. Name these things and write their number in the circle. Heng te hi ming soila chu chuanin an zat ka ta hen zia tur tian heng chu fish and netro FISH fish sanga ti nani chu chuan fish to eng zangi an ni kan lo count ang 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 7 kan zia kan oh. Then let's do the next one. 1 2 hemite hi engi an ni le books an ni le kabu 1 2 kan ni ni chon heta nge kan nei le bucket ani tero an thalak da dan hi asoi lu tu kan hi alang toy put mai chuan bucket alo ni lo ta ka le basket ani ti na ni mai a picture atang hen enge ni ka zuk she cha thei bik lo ke po 1 2 3 hei hi chu balloons an nia tro balloons chu 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now the next one is candles. Mombati hi candles ni mo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 candles kan ne heta mouse alo ma mouse te chu a ho hawan chuan mai san lo nia pakhat aya tam chu engzangi an ni lo chiarang o 1 2 3 4 4 mice le bell bell ri reng reng thei ka ni to BELL 1 2 3 4 5 brush hi brush ani paint brush ani rong na amo hi chu lem ziak na brush zo kan ni 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 amin kan zia le potang brushes pakhat ai taman ni wangin 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 sanga hi chu eng anga tampo ni se fish ani top mai ni buckets chu kan ziak change color the collection which has more objects atiani hi kaya picture lo da hi ama milem tamzo ko piang hi kan color zelang. Okay, now we will color, but the first one has been done for us, so we will go to the next one. The first one, since the first one has been done for us, we will go to the next one. Which one will I choose? Okay, let's count first. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Here this one has more objects than this box. Milem tamna sok zel hi chei turani. So here we have here we have 4 flask. No, is this a water bottle? I think it's a water bottle. We have 4 water bottles, and then here we have 3 glasses. So this one has more objects and this one has only 3. So the more the bottle, the more the objects, we have to color that one. Let's see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 here. How many objects do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have only 4 here, so we will color this side. Let's use red for ball. Let's go to the next. 1, 2. We have only 2 flowers here. 1, 2, 3 butterflies. Let's color the butterflies. You can use as many color as you like, but don't be slow, be quick. Okay? So we colored this side. Since this one has more objects. Now let's go to the next question. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 here and only 3 here. Which one has the more objects? This one, right? So we will color this one again. Okay, let's go to the next one. How many apples are there and how many mangoes are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. Which is more? This one. Let's color this one. Now we are done with this one. We will go to the next one. Let us keep our crayons big in their place. Let's move to the next one. Okay. Make the collection equal. Heta hianin pali oma hemi tluktur hian heta hian pakhat kan draw beldon tinani. Shithiamem, we have 4 objects here, so to make it equal, we will draw one more. So here it already gave 4, so they drew one more here. Now let's go to the next one. What do we have here? We have 2 squares here, and here we have 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will make 5 more square box. How much? How much do we need to make? 1, 2. How much do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5. We need to make 1, 2, 3. 3 more boxes. Square box. 3 more square box. Hedeng ang kilin ay hi akilin chen chap box hi square anti china ni. Chuan square box pathum kan ron siam bel che khan engzange kan lo ni tak 5 kan lo ni ta ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Chuan ati ang le zwal turin kala Chuan tahan triangle lo ma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kan nei ni. Ta kan zai kan nei 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. yellow, yellow. Then we'll go to the next one. That has 6 kan tiang. How many circles do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles. That has 5 squares. 6 triangles. Atop bera chuan. Hey. Tilvir himo while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 omani. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Engzang kan ziak belle. 2 kan ziak belle ni. Tiro. Heta engzang kan bel 1, 2, 3 ta 3 kan bela. Heta 1, 2, 2 kan bela. Heta po 2 kan belle to na ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kan niya object 7. Chuan ta hianin 7 object 7 ni turin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kling turin true kan draw bel anga yani. Six, 7. Tikan. Hegi 6 na. Hegi 6 na. 7 na. 7. Kan ni tatsi. Ani. Next page akong kalyang. Write the missing number. Akim velaw hi kan ziak zelang. Engzang kan ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tahan ini omlo 1, 2, 3, 2 in ziak lo tro ta 2 kan ziak kang 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 khen kan ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 khen lo to. What comes before and after? 5 ma a inge oma 5 nuwa inge kan lo chutang inge kan ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 draw. Oh sorry tatang hian tiang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 ma che mi kan ni chu inge 4 ani ta kan zia kang 5 ma che local chu 4 ania 5 dot chia 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 dot chia mi chu inge 6 ani tero ta 6 kan zia kang. What comes before 6? 6 ma che nge local 6 ma che mi chu nge 5 tero 5 hey 4, 5, 6 5, 6, 7 laun tani. What comes after 1? 1 zo hian nge local 1, 2, 3 3 rongkal chuan 4 ma le 4 nuwa hian nge local 4 ma chuan nge kan ni 3 ani tro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hemi en kher lo ba ma ni ti dang lo zirang 4 ma nge number kan lo chia rang 1, 2, 3, 4 4 ma kan chia che ka 3 lo ni ta hianin 3 kan zia kang 3, 4, 5 2 kan lo ni ya 2, 3, 4. That's one. What are the next numbers? Itilia 3 is going along 3, 4, 5 lo ni ta ni chu oh 4, 5, 6 5, 6, 7 1, 2, 3 3, 4, 5 2, 3, 4 3, 4, 5 lo mu em he in to tin om zel hi lo ti ve tu ni oh mani textbook a theu khati tleng kha vo in class ta na kan ti tu ni anga mani class a lo ti ve theu mani textbook a lo ti ve theu tu ni okay